Well, good morning, everyone. Day 3 of the little garage build. 24 degrees this morning. Supposed to get up to a whopping 42 or 44. So that's going to feel like a heat wave. Although next week we're supposed to get quite warm. So it's Saturday today. And it's pretty much going to be just a progression of what I was doing yesterday. And that's building more of these wall panels. So Eric's grandson Evan showed up, and we immediately put him to work moving garage door panels off the slab so that later that day we could stand walls. Then it wasn't long before my nephew Cody showed up and started laying sill seal out so we could stand the wall panels. Thank you, Cody. Hey, green treat's on the wrong side, guys. Okay. Is there any way you can get there? Yeah. Hold on. Down. Oh, your camera's gonna get it. Camera, okay. Now get on the corners. Go on, open the pitch. Okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Alright. And then my way a little. Yeah, okay, cut that off. There we go. Do you push your end towards me?
He's like a dwarf.
You know?
He's small and stocky, but
You know,
work good.
just push and hold. Okay. I can't see it from this angle here. Well, day 4, Easter Sunday. I'm here on the job site just because I didn't have much else to do today, so this is what we got done yesterday. I got the wall stood that I'd built previously. And then I built a few more wall sections. I still got 2 or 3 more here to do today, and then we'll stand them and try to get our headers in over the garage doors. So everybody stay tuned. Being Easter Sunday, Eric's son and daughter had the day off, so the grandchild and they came over, gave us a hand setting walls and headers. We want to thank them for that. Hey Eric, I want to get you on video of you getting your hernia.
Yeah. Only do it one at a time.
Our LVLs for our headers. Well, once again, good old GoPro wouldn't work, so I didn't get any footage of us getting the headers in. But they did go in quite nice with the help we had.